Hi guys, welcome to my live. Join me as I unpack my grocery and then I'll just rustle up a short recipe. Welcome to me live. Unpack with me, guys. Guess what? The weather is so beautiful outside. It's beautiful. So guys, I did a bit of shopping today. And Miracle was like, I said, what can I get you? Because I know she love let me tell you what happened first. I wanted initially just to buy tissue. That's why I tried to avoid shopping. Oh, I need to send her money. I tried to avoid. The initial plan is tissue, paper towel. That's what I went to buy. And I end up spending triple, quadruple, maybe 10 times the amount I was planning to spend. Anyway, so there was a point I started buying snack. Or a snack. Snack with me, baby. This is my favorite. It's not too sweet, not too fresh. Perfect. So Miracle, I said, I know I got this special cake. There's a special cake that Miracle likes. However, she was like, I said, Miracle, should I get your special cake for you? No, I said, I was looking temporarily out of stock. So I said, what do you want? What snack? She said, buy my cake. I said, they don't have it. So she said, okay, buy this. However, this was on sale, you know. And I wanted to get her 2. I said, no. Because she's going to finish 1 today. 2 sweet. And then just slow down on the sweet. Put it that way. Because she's not eating fruit. But that's Miracle's favorite. Rock with me, baby. So, yeah, I decided to get myself some sweet tooth. Miracle don't really like this. Don't know why, but I love crunchy there. I love things that is crunchy. She doesn't like that. I don't know why. I decided to get these because I think one time I tried. So I said, let me get 2 for myself and Miracle. Because I think Miracle likes them. Very nice meal. Oh, I'm going to use this. I forgot I got this, you know, man. I'm planning to rustle up something. What do I do? I'm going to use this. I haven't used it. So let's put this back. I was planning to rustle up something. Oh, Lord. I think it's it break. Are you joking, mate? How did that happen? How did it get? And here's another plastic bag. See? Creating spillage. Rock me, baby. So we need like, next time I think we need like the other plastic bag. So I'm putting back this. I wanted to rustle up something. So I'm trying to put this back for now. Because I didn't remember what the spicy one. So I'm going to do spicy up, baby. I decided to get Miracle that. We're getting Miracles. So I'm going to send her some money for her to get me some. She's the one finishing the paper towel. So I'm going to get her job. And she keeps running up my money. Running up the money. As I said, clean as you go. Let me clean. Okay. So guys, I love my delicious. Yeah, we got some juice. When Miracle was younger, she didn't like. I'm going to see if she's going to drink it now. When she was younger, she's not drinking it. So I'm going to put it in the fridge and see if she will have it. So, guys, as I said, I wasn't planning. So these things was a bit 20% off. So it makes me shop. That's what they used to catch people. They start putting percentage on the stuff. So I decided, okay, 20% off. Let me try and get it around the back. Rock me, baby. That's my milk powder in the thing. We got some Milo. Miracle have fresh Milo. Miracle love using Milo. And put this back. I want to drink some of this. Some of my regular juice. The regular thing. The regular. 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 And guys, this is our popcorn. And what I usually do, yeah, something we have to clean it. Well, sometimes it's dusty, you know. This is my snack. Miracle like the salt and sugar and salt. But unfortunately, it's like maybe they stopped selling it. I'm not seeing any sugar and salt. But she won't want a dish she can have. She don't really like these. So even the sugar and salt, this is not her cup of tea. Because she buy and then she eats. So I think she maybe eat from the container because I buy it for her, give it to her, and then she end up not eating it. Okay guys. So this now is our little, I'm still gonna do my chef. This is what I love. I love my crunchiness. Miracle do not like them. I don't know why. This is not Miracle cup of tea. I thought she would like something like this. Different mindset, different, you know. Still, I forgot to buy paper towel. I'm just gonna rustle up something quick. So when my baby comes from school, she can have something to eat. Because you're gonna be tired. I'm gonna have a nice shower and see if I still feel sleepy after. After I finish cook, I'm just gonna have myself a shower and see if I feel sleepy. I'm gonna drink this. Yeah, at this point, I decide to speed it up. Decide to drink me some mix up, man. Wash my hands, shine my cooker a bit, preparing for the meal, rinsing my pot. Then we got some pre-cooked chicken. So I decide corn, you know corn. So I decide this is the point where rinse my pot, catch water, because we're making pasta with a little bling, bling, bling. So put the water on the fire while the pot is heating up. So there's a point now I said, okay, we need to cut up the thing, you know, put a little bit of oil. But if I must say, this chicken, so I don't know what happened. So you put the oil sucked up in the chicken, if I'm making sense. The chicken take all the oil from the pot. After throwing out the oil, chicken take all the oil. So at the point now I'm washing up. Yeah, clean as you go, we said no, clean as you go. So washing up, I'm trying to turn because I'm trying to get it a bit brown. Yeah, see the chicken takes the oils, I have to put more oil. So I was like, what type of chicken is this? Keep sucking up the oil. So I decided to get my little blender out to blend up some of the stuff. So we got sweet pepper. We decide now to get some onion and I find some tomato. So we said, okay, let's wash them, cut them, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna blend them. Funny enough, the blender wasn't strong enough because I didn't charge it. I haven't used it for a while. So while I'm doing that, this is what they call multitask. So water is boiling, so I decided to add the spaghetti. I used to have this little girl that used to call me mommy. She called it spaghetti. I want spaghetti. I was wondering, what is she saying? I thought she was calling me dirty. But she said spaghetti. Oh. So pour dirty in boiled water. And we're cutting the sweet pepper. Those are the red, tall sweet pepper. Somebody was like, why is your pepper so big? It's not big. It's just tall. It's tall. So, was cutting it, chopping it up. So we try to chop it up to blend it. We want this little paste to make our sauce. While the chicken is, the oil is taking all the chicken. So we blend it with a small blender. But this blender, I have to continue putting my hand on it. I don't think it's a good blender, to be honest. I have to continue. It's okay, but I love to blend and just leave it for it to do the thing. I shouldn't be pressing it. Without you pressing it, it doesn't work. You have to keep your eye on it until you finish what you're doing. So with this, I wash the onion, chop up the onion, put the onion, blend the onion. So we get the tomato. I decide to use one, trying to make it as swiftly as possible. So we decide to chop, and then we'll put everything in the blender. So this is the point now the blender say, I'm tired of you, girl. You're using me too much. What is she waiting on? So I decide, okay, let's finish the thing, blend the thing. In which, if I had the bigger blender, I could have blended everything in one go. I think this is time consuming. So our spaghetti is soft. So I just drain off the water and start getting soft. So I blend up the little fruits, blend up the ting, or the vegetable. So the blender reach a point now, we say, I'm tired of you, so we stop working at this point. So I said, oh, I had enough. I throw everything in the plate, mix it up, and then, okay, we're going to start the sauce now. So what do we have to do? Remove the chicken before it burn. Hurry up, girl, hurry up. So that's me removing the chicken. We have to add a bit more water because the chickens take all the oil. What type of chicken is this? So I put a bit more oil just to give it a bit of, so I add all the sauce to it, all the chopped up vegetable, time to season the pot, So we say, okay, let's use some paste, spice. I want to spice, but I don't want it to be too spicy. So I decide, okay, let's use ketchup. We don't waste nothing, So the little ketchup in the bottle, I said, okay, wash it out and put in it. And then my daughter have some sriracha sauce, so we just put some in it. But we try not to put too much pepper because the paste already got is peppery. So I said, okay, that's it. My grandmother stuff, my late grandmother, I said, okay, let's use some sugar. Put some sweetness to the taste. So we start adding all the seasoning to the pot, man. So I think we use all-purpose, black pepper, chicken seasoning, onion, grenades. We tried to get garlic, but the garlic was hard. I said no. Then we decided, okay, let's use some barbecue sauce, man. Sauce up the thing. Then we decided put the chicken. And after putting the chicken, now I said, we love to use vegetable. Clean as you go, clean as you go. It was popping, it was popping. So I said, okay, let's get with some vegetable. We love vegetable in our meal. So I add some frozen vegetable. I was like, oh, I think I should have microwaved it first because it would have been softer. So no frozen vegetable. We decided to put everything and just leave it to cook down. Everything in the pot. So we decided to in section, put the spaghetti is going to my baby. Spaghetti. So we put the spaghetti in small portion. So we decide, okay, do something else, clean as you go again. Put a next section. Realize, oh, it's too much spaghetti. So I think we should leave back some for another day. So I decided to dish up some of the spaghetti. So we cover the part. I decide clean as you go. So we say, okay, I have to taste it. Crave Michelle. Crave picnic. Crave. So I said, okay, let me get a container, rinse it out, put the remaining spaghetti in it. We can rustle up something else. And my daughter was sending her some money to buy something. I said, oh, I forgot. Before she leaves school, I forgot to send her because I went shopping. I forgot to buy. No, I spent too much, so I decided not to go to another shop to spend more than expected. So I said, I better just send her the money to buy exactly what I said to buy. Because if I go, I'm going to see things. So I sent her the money. And I said, okay, let's get down to business, man. Let's get down to business. Wash up your dish. Wash up your sink. Keep your sink nice and tidy. So that's my spaghetti. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, baby. So we're trying to finish the washing up. Washing up our sink, washing up our plate in stages while the spaghetti is steaming down. While all the vegetable and the seasoning with the spaghetti is doing its thing, man. Doing your thing, do your thing, do your thing. So we say, okay, reach the point now. We don't want the food to burn. So I said, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, get ready to go home. So okay, I said, this is the point now. Let's hurry up, hurry up. We don't want to burn the food. Why are you doing so long? Then there's a section in the pot. Why are you taking so long to wash? So okay, let's check the pot now. Okie dokie, we're drying the plate, dry the plate. Trying to dry the plate and put them in the dish. Yeah, we're drying all the wet plate. Make the sink nice and clean. Or plateless. Put all the plate where they belong. So we're putting away the plate, putting away the spoon, putting on away the fork and all of that, the knife, the pots. Let's clean our cooker again. Yay! We are actually there, my baby. I love this. Still clean our sink. Get into the finishing nitty-gritty. Nitty-gritty time. We need to check our part and say, oh, you're ready. Let you just finish steam down, you know. Can you see Nick Snacks? That's our little Nick Snacks. Okay, okay. Daughter is in school, so I'm making dinner so she can eat when she get home. They say, Mom, you no cook. And you're there home at me there. I'm at school all day. I'm starving. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye. We got to move.